A very good morning, traders. Today is Monday, 14th of April, and welcome back to the channel. After a wild week last week, our charts are looking wild as well. As you can see, that is the past live trading session from Friday, and I still left those remarks on the chart. The ones of you who weren't with us last week, Friday there was an afternoon live trading session almost late in the US aftermarket. We were scalping on a 1 minute chart and took a couple of trades there. You can see the previous video here. We trade daily, pretty much daily on this channel. We don't trade on this daily time frame. We get our market sentiment from the macroeconomic news and the levels here. I have kept my key levels also here from pretty much week and 2 weeks past here. So we'll drill down from this daily time frame to hour, 15-minute, 5-minute, and all the way to 3 minutes, and look what the week is about to look like. If you haven't given a like yet to this video, please do so now, because that way we can notify other traders on this wonderful double stochastic strategy and help people stop losing money and treat their trading as a business. So please hit that like button, leave me a comment, and let's build a community here on the channel. Curious combo means this curious combination of the double stochastic strategy, where I have the 66 slow moving with smoothing values of 3 and 3 and the fast moving stochastic of 23 and 3 values. They are overlaid on top of each other, and from the playlists you can see also my trading educational videos that I'm pushing out regularly, but there is the video on the double stochastic strategy idea as well. This week, no major economic news scheduled from Fed side of things. President Trump obviously might push anything on Truth Social mainly, and we gotta be aware of that and very careful with our positioning to the markets. The market is anticipating some sort of positive note. Asia has been rising. Some of the Asian stocks overnight are now rising 2%, and so does look the futures as well for our week opening. But be very careful again, anything can happen. The sentiment is very careful because there has been those tariff realignments, cancellations, postpones of the tariffs, and even on Saturday, President Trump published that he will postpone also against China some of the tariffs, including electronics, semiconductors, and mobile devices. So now the world is waiting for China's response, if they will ease their tariff side of things in response to US and Trump's ease of individual items and categories. But for sure the market is not healthy, and we gotta note that when we are and if we are taking positions in the market. And you can always remember that trading stocks is just one thing. Trading indices is just one opportunity. Trading commodities is just one thing. You can go outside of the stock market and trade for common household items. That is what trading is for me as well. You buy low and sell high. You fix things and sell them for profit. That's all about what trading is, for me at least. And you can consider trading as business that way, so this is not the only thing to trade on the charts. But here we are, double stochastic strategy on the daily time frame. It looks very confusing. I'm gonna start removing these texts from the live trading session. We might be doing live trading this week as well. Let's see whether we'll do it today, US Open, depending on what's happening in the market when the key players are up and awake and posting on their socials. We don't take any trades on this daily time frame. Instead, we hold these key levels, what you can see here, and here you can start seeing the Friday events, what happened. we were waiting confirmation and actually taking even a couple of shorts. Our preferred time frames are showing here on the 5 and 3 minute level, and if we jump directly to 3 minutes, so we can see our key levels. DAX was it was even over to -2%, 2.8 on the at its peak, and it went down to 2.3, and by the time I finished my trading on Friday afternoon, it was hovering 1.91 on the day, and there was a triggered stop loss, slow moving markets, waiting for confirmation, and we got a bit of a couple of positive trades. They were around here. As you can see, there was some 2 triggered stop losses here. The market wasn't moving. Market wasn't moving according to the strategy. We had a channel drawn here and it broke through the channel, and now it's been hovering on the 20,786 level overnight. This seems to be now some sort of an support for the price. So let's see if we're gonna push up to the top of the range to 20,900 basis points. Let's look that from the 15 minutes still back. There you can see the top of the range, or even this range from 20,898. Maybe this is valid as well around here, but now the price has been finding support from this 793 level, so we can draw that there as well. We can remove these, and the big bottom of the range still remains here at 20,201. These levels here between are some of the key levels on lower time frames. But let's see if we can have a live trading session here in the Monday afternoon, New York open, 8:30 to 10 o'clock. And this was a quick one for week opener. It has a bit of a positive note, but be very careful. The price might reject these levels here and find a new leg down all the way to 20,556 here. So if this holds, the price might move upwards, and depending on how China is going to react to US cancelled or postponed individual categories. And this is what the daily agenda is going to be, Monday 14th April. And you have a good one on the markets today, and leave me a comment if you wish to ask me anything, or if you wish to comment or let me know about your own strategy or markets that you're involved. And be on the lookout if I'll have a live trading session later in the afternoon, European 3 to 5 o'clock. But if not, then we'll see tomorrow on Tuesday. You have a good one now.